Alright, here's a look at my backyard. Great big huge freaking willow trees. Unfortunately, the willow trees overgrew the creek. There's a creek right here. The willow trees overgrew my creek and they plugged it all up. Now the creek has like 7 different tributaries and it's eating away my backyard. This is the brush. This is what we're doing over here. We're clearing out the stuff. Hang on, let me get the tunes off for a second. Great tunes, but anyway, this is where we are. Frickin' willow trees that got overrun by ivy, and these vines are a bitch. It's pretty slow going through here. I've cleared all the way back to the fence. You can kind of see what I've cleared, and it's not easy. I go maybe 10 feet a day. I only work about 4 hours, but after 4 hours I'm soaking sopping wet, and I'm working right in the middle of the creek, right in the snake's backyard. Look at this here. There's a spring right there, natural water spring. There's like, I've run into about 4 of them just clearing this area. There's 4 springs. It's the reason the water never stops, keeps on running, because there's springs that come through here. Anyway, I'm starting to make progress. I've come maybe 30-40 feet, cut down a bunch of big trees. I still got a bunch more. Well, I got a bunch of little stuff, and then there's a fallen tree over there that I got to clean up. And this one here, I'm not sure. If I don't get the vines off it, they're going to pull it down and hit the house. So yeah, playing lumberjack. Pile of brush and some kind of elephant plant here. I don't know what that is. M says it's food. I don't know. But we're sloshing through the creek. Oh, just for safety, I'm wearing knee-high boots, and I got snake gaiters on too. Not that the snakes aren't going to bite above my knee, but I've seen several snakes, but so far none of them are poisonous, none of them venomous. Whole bunch of water snakes. They like this creek, and they hide out in the bank. When I get over there, they jump in and swim away. At least they're swimming away from me instead of toward me. Like I said, elephant bush. If you know what this is, write in the comments, will you? And if it's edible, let me know. I think maybe an Asian person had this property years ago, and they planted these, but I don't know for sure. There's another one over here that's buried because I trimmed the tree, and now the tree is rolling over into the creek. So I gotta keep moving. I had to build a wooden dam, like a coffer dam. I had a stack of wood somewhere, and that hopefully will keep some of the water from backing up into my backyard here. When it really gets raining, this is kind of like it's a couple inches deep. It comes up almost to the concrete here. I don't want it coming in the house. Looks like it's done it before once or twice, because the basement floor is kind of dirty, like muddy. I don't know. Using a pallet for a bridge. What do you think? And I got a hanger here. It's been hanging, and I tried to pull it down. I tried to do all kinds of stuff. I don't want it falling on my head. So I may have to climb that frickin' tree and chop it down. I haven't climbed a tree since I was a kid, but we'll give it a try. Kayak sitting here doing nothing. I should be fishing, but it'll be nice when I get it done. We own all the way back to the edge of the bushes. I'm only clearing like half of it just to clear out this creek so I can redirect it. I'm gonna have to get a backhoe in here and dig it out, make it straight again, give it a good path to run, and make it a little deeper so it stays in the creek. in the back of the house. Wonderful. It's a mess, huh? Like I said, this is the pile of brush I've been pulling out. I'm going to load it on a trailer. I'm going to get a U-Haul flatbed and pile it on and take it to the dump. Tell me I got 10 loads free. Or 12 loads free. 1 a month. So, anyway. That's it.